over to Johan now.
Okay.
This time afterwards, we'll open it for questions if anybody has a question. Hallo Johan, dankie.
Okay,
Annie. Thanks a lot, Annie.
okay, I'll keep it as brief as possible, seeing that we've run out of time. The first thing we did when this whole thing started was to look at what the physical problems in a dental surgery is, of which airborne germs are the biggest problem, airborne bacteria and viruses and that sort of thing. So I was working together with a periodontist in Joburg, Dr. Andreas Siebold. Brian, I suppose you know him. But anyway, what we did to get this whole thing sorted out, we installed a system in his practice, whereas we extract in the operational area. We've got an extraction system that removes all the aerosols generated in the mouth with the handpieces at source. And that, I think, is going to be a major thing in future, to make sure that there are as little as possible viruses that gets into the atmosphere in the dental surgery. What we're doing at the moment is we are replacing the volume of air in his surgeries in the region of 6 times per minute. We are extracting enough air to replace all the air in the surgery. So if there are any airborne aerosols still getting into the atmosphere, we are removing it in order to keep the viral load down as far as possible. Annie, Maggie, you will actually appreciate this bit. What we noticed in his hygienist room, whereas in the past you always had a problem with powder all over the surfaces after doing powder polishing, there's nothing in her surgery anymore, for we're extracting all of that at the same time. So that's very important. Dewald was talking about the hypochlorous acid thing a bit earlier. We will be posting some studies that was done on the field on Facebook, so that you can have a look at it. For there's been a lot of things that we did research on, and I think it's important to take all of these aspects into consideration when you decide on what to use. For, as Insada's documents have, they also stated that there's a lot of things that's being marketed at the moment, which is not really making a difference, but it's being marketed as a solution. And I think what we need to aim at is to safeguard your practice, but not doing so at your economic detriment. So from my side, that is all.
Johan, may I quickly ask a question, please? Dewald mentioned that to me, I think when we did the test run yesterday, and I've been thinking about it all along. You know, I'm a business and IT consultant, so my mind tends to go into analyzing things.
Yeah.
It's something on the patient's chest.
Not really. What we've got is a pipe that's coming down from the ceiling, which you position about 6 inches above the patient's chest. I'll try and demonstrate it from the side. If the patient is lying down, that pipe is sitting here to allow enough area for the dentist to work in.
Yeah, that was my whole question.
110 millimeters. And that is sucking up everything that's coming out of the mouth. Or your dental handpieces, as the pros here know, is creating a lot of aerosol. And we're extracting that at source immediately. It's the only thing about it is, obviously, if you're replacing the volume of air in the surgery that often, your aircon system is losing efficiency. So if it's a hot day, you're bringing in a lot of fresh air that's not air conditioned. But it's actually a good thing, for air conditioning is recirculating air in your surgery, which basically spreads whatever viral load is around.
Ryan, do you have a question? It seems as though you're sitting forward to ask something.
No, I'm just listening intently.
Yeah. Johan, dan net nog 'n ding. I take it you've sort of done tests on this. I'm not a dentist of 'n mondhygiënis nie, maar is daar genoeg spasie? Ek glo daar is seker, maar gaan dit nie die tandarts hinder as hy nou met hierdie pyp sit nie? Brian, maybe you can answer that.
Kyk, die oplossing wat daar was voor die tyd is 'n mobiele onttrekkingsstelsel wat langs die stoel staan, wat 'n hengse probleem veroorsaak in veral kleiner vertrekke.
Ja.
Maar as die mense nou nog 'n mikroskoop en sulke dinge ook het, dan daar is net nie spasie nie. Nou hierdie ding kom langs die lug uit die dak uit en ons het hom so geposisioneer dat jy kan hom uit die pad uit draai as die pasiënt nie stoel inklim of uitklim en hy tel op. Dan sit hy